Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can log into your Line account on laptop. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do on your Line application on your device, that you need to open it, tap on the home button here, then tap on the setting icon here, then go to account. In account, you need to scroll a bit where you will find the option allow login. If it is disabled, you need to enable this one. Now you need to go back. And here, as you can see, there is a QR code, so we need to scan that one. So all you need to do is to, on the home tab, you need to go to tap on the plus sign here, the plus icon, which will add another person, like when you want to add another contact. So here you will find the QR code. All you need to do is to open it and it will scan. And now all you need to do is to tap on login. So once you tap on login, here, as you can see, there is a code appear here. You need to enter the code here. So guys, as you can see, I enter the code, and then all you need to do is to tap here and then tap on verify. So once it is verified, they say the verification code has been sent, and as you can see, now I'm logged into my account on the PC, on the laptop. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.